Welcome back to my channel. Degrees of comparison. Type 1. Questions. Mumbai is the largest city in Maharashtra. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Sachin is the greatest batsman in the team. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Bengaluru is the biggest city in Karnataka. Rahul is the tallest boy in the class. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Gold is the most precious metal. January is the coldest month of the year. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Answers. 1. Superlative. Mumbai is the largest city in Maharashtra. Comparative. Mumbai is larger than any other city in Maharashtra. Positive. No other city in Maharashtra is as large as Mumbai. 2. Superlative. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Comparative. Mount Everest is higher than any other mountain in the world. Positive. No other mountain in the world is as high as Mount Everest. 3. Superlative. Sachin is the greatest batsman in the team. Comparative. Sachin is greater than any other batsman in the team. Positive. No other batsman in the team is as great as Sachin. 4. Superlative. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Comparative. The Ganga is longer than any other river in India. Positive. No other river in India is as long as the Ganga. 5. Superlative. Bengaluru is the biggest city in Karnataka. Comparative. Bengaluru is bigger than any other city in Karnataka. Positive. No other city in Karnataka is as big as Bengaluru. 6. Superlative. Rahul is the tallest boy in the class. Comparative. Rahul is taller than any other boy in the class. Positive. No other boy in the class is as tall as Rahul. 7. Superlative. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Comparative. The cheetah is faster than any other land animal. Positive. No other land animal is as fast as the cheetah. 8. Superlative. Gold is the most precious metal. Comparative. Gold is more precious than any other metal. Positive. No other metal is as precious as gold. 9. Superlative. January is the coldest month of the year. Comparative. January is colder than any other month of the year. Positive. No other month of the year is as cold as January. 10. Superlative. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Comparative. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. Positive. No other continent in the world is as large as Asia. Type 2. Questions. Delhi is one of the biggest cities in India. Mysuru is one of the most beautiful cities in Karnataka. Sachin is one of the greatest batsmen in India. The Himalayas are one of the highest mountain ranges in the world. Bengaluru is one of the busiest cities in Karnataka. The peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in India. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. The tiger is one of the most dangerous animals in the forest. The Ganga is one of the longest rivers in India. Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatists in English literature. Answers. 1. Superlative. Delhi is one of the biggest cities in India. Comparative, Delhi is bigger than most other cities in India. Positive, very few cities in India are as big as Delhi. 2. Superlative, Mysuru is one of the most beautiful cities in Karnataka. Comparative, Mysuru is more beautiful than most other cities in Karnataka. Positive, very few cities in Karnataka are as beautiful as Mysuru. 3. Superlative, Sachin is one of the greatest batsmen in India. Comparative, Sachin is greater than most other batsmen in India. Positive, very few batsmen in India are as great as Sachin. 4. Superlative, the Himalayas are one of the highest mountain ranges in the world. Comparative, the Himalayas are higher than most other mountain ranges in the world. Positive, very few mountain ranges in the world are as high as the Himalayas. 5. Superlative, Bengaluru is one of the busiest cities in Karnataka. Comparative, Bengaluru is busier than most other cities in Karnataka. Positive, very few cities in Karnataka are as busy as Bengaluru. 6. Superlative, the peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in India. Comparative, the peacock is more beautiful than most other birds in India. Positive, very few birds in India are as beautiful as the peacock. 7. Superlative, English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Comparative, English is more widely spoken than most other languages in the world. Positive, very few languages in the world are as widely spoken as English. 8. Superlative, the tiger is one of the most dangerous animals in the forest. Comparative, the tiger is more dangerous than most other animals in the forest. Positive, very few animals in the forest are as dangerous as the tiger. 9. Superlative, the Ganga is one of the longest rivers in India. Comparative, the Ganga is longer than most other rivers in India. Positive, very few rivers in India are as long as the Ganga. 10. Superlative, Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatists in English literature. Comparative, Shakespeare is greater than most other dramatists in English literature. Positive, very few dramatists in English literature are as great as Shakespeare. Type 3. Questions. Delhi is bigger than Agra. Ravi is taller than Rayu. Gold is more valuable than silver. The elephant is heavier than the horse. English is easier than Sanskrit. Bengaluru is cleaner than the town. Iron is stronger than wood. A train is faster than a bus. Mathematics is more difficult than English. A lion is stronger than a deer. Answers. 1. Comparative, Delhi is bigger than Agra. Positive, Agra is not as big as Delhi. 2. Comparative, Ravi is taller than Rayu. Positive, Rayu is not as tall as Ravi. 3. Comparative, gold is more valuable than silver. Positive, silver is not as valuable as gold. 4. Comparative, the elephant is heavier than the horse. Positive, the horse is not as heavy as the elephant. 5. Comparative, English is easier than Sanskrit. Positive, Sanskrit is not as easy as English. 6. Comparative, Bengaluru is cleaner than the town. Positive, the town is not as clean as Bengaluru. 7. Comparative, iron is stronger than wood. Positive, wood is not as strong as iron. 8. Comparative, a train is faster than a bus. Positive, a bus is not as fast as a train. 9. Comparative, mathematics is more difficult than English. Positive, English is not as difficult as mathematics. 10. Comparative, a lion is stronger than a deer. Positive, a deer is not as strong as a lion. Type 4 comparative showing equality. Questions. Wealth is not more important than health. Money is not more valuable than time. Gold is not more precious than life. Knowledge is not more important than character. Food is not more necessary than water. Books are not more useful than teachers. Success is not more important than happiness. Education is not more valuable than experience. Peace is not more desirable than freedom. A mother's love is not more precious than a father's love. Answers. 1. Comparative, wealth is not more important than health. Positive, health is as important as wealth. 2. Comparative, money is not more valuable than time. Positive, time is as valuable as money. 3. Comparative, gold is not more precious than life. Positive, life is as precious as gold. 4. Comparative, knowledge is not more important than character. Positive, character is as important as knowledge. 5. Comparative, food is not more necessary than water. Positive, water is as necessary as food. 6. Comparative, books are not more useful than teachers. Positive, teachers are as useful as books. 7. Comparative, success is not more important than happiness. Positive, happiness is as important as success. 8. Comparative, education is not more valuable than experience. Positive, experience is as valuable as education. 9. Comparative, peace is not more desirable than freedom. Positive, freedom is as desirable as peace. 10. Comparative, a mother's love is not more precious than a father's love. Positive, a father's love is as precious as a mother's love. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment.